Here's what you need to know about FitGirl Repack before downloading anything. FitGirl is an online alias for someone who takes large PC games and compresses them into smaller download sizes. These are called repacks, and they include cracked versions of games that bypass paying for them. FitGirl claims their files from the official site are clean, and most people who use the real site confirm this. However, the biggest danger is fake FitGirl websites. Hackers copy the design perfectly, but hide malware in the downloads that can steal your passwords, banking info, and game accounts, or install ransomware that locks your computer. Even on the real site, cracked games can sometimes include hidden keyloggers. Also, keep in mind that downloading pirated games is illegal in many countries. Bottom line, if you value your PC security and personal data, the risk is not worth it. Always support developers and buy games through official stores. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.